Hey everybody, welcome to Chef's Grill Station, and today we're doing something different. We're going to be doing unboxing and reviewing of the Bighorn Range Fire Pit. So as you can see, it's a big box. I got the biggest one. It's approximately 47 inches in diameter. It should be a nice, definitely a nice fire for kids and family to enjoy. And today we're gonna put this together, and later at night we're definitely gonna test it out. So we'll have some videos for you for consideration, and hope you like what you see. Right before we begin, please subscribe to our channel, like our videos, and let's get right into it. There we go. Here comes the box. Definitely a large box. I picked this up at the Lowe's. It wasn't on sale. I think it was around $229. Here comes another box. All right, let's open this guy. Let's see what we here. Okay. Now, all right, so here are the parts. I got some styrofoam, garbage, more packing materials. So this is the first ring. The cool part about this thing, right? So it's not just a fire. You can actually grill on this stuff. So one of these days, we're definitely going to do a video of us doing some steaks or burgers. Let's see how it works out. These are the supporting arms. There's one. Another one. Looks like there's going to be 4 of them in there. There's another one, and then we got another ring here. And I'll tell you this much, it's nicely packaged. Here's another one, and the last one. Here we go. This shouldn't be hard to put together. More styrofoam, more packaging. Off you go. More styrofoam. Let's see, let's open this box. I bet this is probably hardware. Let's see. No, not hardware. These are legs. These are the big fat legs that it's going to be standing on. There's 4 of them in here. There's another one. It seems to be decent quality, and I hope you can see this. There are nuts in here, so there's no drilling. The nuts are already pre-installed. Should be pretty easy to put it together. And here's the last one. Off you go. Let's see. Manual. This is probably something we're going to use to put it together. Do not return this product to the store. So I guess if you got a problem, you're going to have to call them directly. Yeah, as you can see, nice manual. Not too many parts. Talks about hardware. And then you got the step-by-step instructions here, which we are going to follow once we finish unpacking this. Now this thing is a charcoal holder. So when you want to grill and you don't want to use the wood that you've burned, you just want to put some charcoal in here. This is a nice sort of a plate that goes on the inside, and then use this area to grill your steaks, whatever meat you're gonna put on. Some more stuff in here. Let's see what this is. All right. This works like that, and this is the holder for the tray, charcoal tray. Or you can just put your logs on this, right? So they're not flat. It'll be much easier to start your fire, which is a pretty cool idea. Let's see. There's our hardware. Not that much, guys, so we should be able to put this rather quickly. Put this in here. So this is a nice surprise. This seems to be, it's a cover. That's definitely cool, guys. Look at that. Decent material. It should last, maybe not too long, but it will last for a little bit. Definitely great. What else do we have left in here? We have this. I think this is the handle to spin around the grill plate handle. Not sure where that goes yet. So we're gonna figure this out. And let's see. There's my son coming. Let's see if he's gonna help me out. So this is not heavy at all. Definitely manageable. You don't need too much force. This is fine. And this is the grill thing. This is what you use. This is the swing arm that you're gonna use. All right, guys, let's put this away. Nice. I'm putting this together. Here we go. All right, now you're gonna help me? No, you're not gonna help me? All right. Let's use the instructions. Definitely will save us some time. So, step one, right over here, I'm looking at the instructions. Step one is to put the legs together and use the M6 by 14 bolt. So it should be simple enough. There are 3 holes, repeated 4 times. So 3 holes should be simple enough. It just goes like this. Yeah. So let me find those bolts. Let's see. M6 by 14 right here. Pretty easy. And let's see how it works out. So we take this thing. Yeah, the holes match pretty nicely. This should be a breeze. Here's one. Let's see if I can get another one in. And here's another one. Regular Phillips screw. Not a big deal. We got the screw gun. Let's do it. Legs are done. Not bad. Nice and tight. All right, this is the next step. All right, next step is you got to do the piping around. And the piping is done with M6 bolt 14, which is the same exact bolt. Here's the piping around, and it goes right onto the legs. Simple enough. So, let's see if we can stand it to the side. And I guess one goes into another one, right? Yes, it does. So, there. Easy. Nothing to it, guys. All right, let's do this. Next step is step 4, where we have to install these things, and they just go inside. Thing in, and now we need to use the wing bolts in the M6. Let's see here. Here's the M6, the wing. There are 4 wings. So the wings, they go on the inside. So basically, guys, this is simple. They just lock this thing in there. So when you carry it, it doesn't move around, it'll fall out, I guess. So simple enough. Small holes, small screws, actually small bolts. Yeah. So when you put this thing in here, bolts tie them between each other. So I'm gonna have to go in here, and this is probably most uncomfortable so far, because you sort of have to go on the ground completely, but at the same time it's pretty easy. Grab a knot, you grab a bolt, you put them through holes, and you connect. It's definitely humid today. And what we have left is the handle that we saw before. This is right here. We just have to figure out where it goes. And the handle goes on top of the grill tray. Okay, so this goes inside. I'm guessing this just goes like that. Simple enough. Here we go. So this is done. Let me put it back in here. Next step. And next step we have here is to install the handle. And it's right here. And that goes on this side. Put it over there. Need 2 more screws. I hope I'm not gonna run out, because this thing is already missing 1 screw. So this goes onto here. Nice and tight here. So we got the handle on, and the last 2 steps is to install a tray. Tray goes right in here, right inside, and then this log or tray holder, however you use it, goes inside like this, and you put your logs right on top of them, so you give them a nice air to breathe, and it should be pretty easy to start your fire. And then once you have the charcoals in here, which you can go like that, so this goes on the inside, and then this goes into the holder. You put your charcoal in here, you swing this thing over, and you're grilling. So this fire pit is not just fire pit, it's a grill as well. There you have it, folks. This seems to be a very solid product with few quality issues on the assembly, but not a big deal. It's large. It should hold a lot of logs. Should be able to build a nice campfire, or sort of campfire. And we're gonna test it tonight, and you'll definitely see how it works out. See you there.